Alrighty, it is I, Manong Jireh, and it is time for a brand new, late, out of date issue review. Syempre mga kaunggoy, kung merong issue, na andyan si Manong Jireh na pag-usapan yung issue na yon. Issue equals pera. Social media drama or controversy equals pera. So ngayon, peperahan natin tong issue na to mga kaunggoy. Syempre malupit to. So sit back, relax, and let's talk about this shit. Okay, so someone did an oopsie. A drag queen did a oopsie at ang pangalan niya is, nakalimutan ko, Pura Luca Vega. So basically, this drag queen dressed up as Jesus and danced to the Ama Namin remix. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam ng Ama Namin remix, this was a song that was remixed years ago. Doon nagsimula yung meme, bawas langit points, no? So, this drag queen dressed up as Jesus and basically did some goofball things sa isang club. Sumayaw siya dressed up as Jesus sa Ama Namin remix. By the way mga kaunggoy, eto, idadagdag ko lang to kasi nakita ko lang to. Someone pointed this out mga kaunggoy, and about to sa law or some shit, shall be imposed upon anyone who in a place devoted to religious worship or during the celebration of any religious ceremony, anyone who does blasphemous shit on a place of worship is a crime, no mga kaunggoy. So pero by religious standards, yes, I would understand kung bakit maraming na-offend, no? Kasi nga, it's their religion and na-offend sila doon, no? And nagalit sila doon. Hindi na natin control yun. Pero if we were to use like law, sa tingin ko naman yung drag queen na yun, hindi naman niya ginawa yun sa isang place of worship. Hindi niya ginawa yung shit na yun sa loob ng church. Ayun lang mga kaunggoy. Hindi naman technically masama in the eyes of the law. According to religion, that is very offensive, blasphemous. Ang purpose naman niya is not to demean any religion or not to demean God, no? It's me trying to reclaim as a Christian or as a Catholic what I think can be considered as an acceptable form of worship. So, ang intent pala niya is to worship, no? Okay, yung pagsasayaw niya, it's a form of worship. Pero to dress up as Jesus and make him look feminine, siguro dun na-offend ang mga tao. Yung way ng pag-portray niya as Jesus. Siguro kung Christian ako ngayon and I saw this when I was Christian, siguro I would be offended too, no? Kasi nga, it's Jesus. It offends my beliefs and religion, no? So, being Christian, being a Catholic, marami talaga mo-offend dito kasi ginawang feminine si Jesus. Ito maganda to. Kasi I think this is a atheist ang naggumawa ng comment na to. Good morning! What's your opinion of drag queen Pukaluka dance to Lord's Prayer? Ito sa tingin ko, etong taong to, I think this is a atheist kasi nga this is from a atheist group. Disrespectful. I don't believe in any concept of religion or God. But yet I do respect someone's belief. I will not do anything disrespectful to others. Respeto lang, hindi naman kailangan laging tama. Minsan okay yung maging mabuti lang tayo sa kapwa. I don't see God complaining. Religious people have the right to be offended, but they have no right to stop anyone from expressing art that offends them. Tama naman. Ma-offend lang kayo. Karapatan nyo yan, basta don't use this incident as an excuse to discriminate or be violent. Tama naman eh. Ang utos nga ni God, 'di ba? Like ang nakalagay ata sa Bible is be kind to others. Pag tinapon ka daw ng bato, batuin mo din ng tinapay. Yun ba yung sinasabi sa Bible or some shit? Forgive others and be understandable ata, yun. Be Christ-like, learn to forgive people or some shit. Kasi sa mga napapansin ko yung mga religious people, fire with fire ang ginagawa nila You think about it. What would Jesus do? Would he A, kill this person, or B, be forgiving and try to reach out and forgive and give love or some shit. Hindi ba yun yung tinuturo ng Bible? Napapansin ko kasi mga kaunggoy, ang daming mga religious people na very hypocrite, no? Like, they don't practice what they fucking preach, no? I mean, that's just me. Yan lang yung opinion ko. Pero, ang dami ko nakikita yun eh. Hindi lang sa Christianity, pati na rin sa mga ibang religion na din. Kaming mga atheist, agnostic atheist, or yung mga taong walang sinusundan na religion, we don't give a shit about this shit. Let them be or something. Yun yung opinion namin. Pero, ayun nga, I do understand the religious people being offended kasi nga, that is the likeness or that is, you're portraying Jesus. Parang binabastos mo by acting that way and looking that way. Tingnan nyo yung picture, naka-makeup pa dito si Jesus, which offended a lot of people, no? Offended a lot of religious people, no? So, magets ko yun. If the old me was reacting to this, if the religious me from years ago was reacting to this, then I would be offended as well, no? Pero ngayon, wala na akong pakialam kasi nga, I'm not very religious now. Actually, hindi na nga ako religious eh. So, I really don't give a fuck anymore. The bottom line is, let's just try and respect each other and love each other. Treat people the same way you want to be treated or some shit. So, ayun lang mga kaunggoy. Respect or something. Don't treat people like shit na lang siguro. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jireh said so. Ayun lang naman ang masasabi ko mga kaunggoy. And fucking hell, I really want to sleep. Kailangan ko na matulog mga kaunggoy. Ayun lang yung video na to. That is all. Bye-bye. Fuck off.
Blabby, blabby. Blabby, blabby.